Importance of wetlands. Wetlands, for example, swamps, marshes, and shallow lakes are areas in the environment that are covered by shallow water for most of the year. They are important to us for the following reasons. They are nature's way of cleaning water. Wetlands use very small organisms, water plants, soil, and gravel to filter and clean the Earth's water supply. They help remove unhealthy soluble and insoluble materials and make water safe to drink and use. Wetlands act like a sponge that absorbs and stores water. They help control the flow of water and prevent floods that happen because of heavy rain. When it does not rain and the environment becomes very dry, wetlands give rivers and streams water that keeps them flowing. Many different types of animals and plants use wetlands as their breeding ground and habitat. Wetlands are also a source of water for many animals and plants that live in the environment around the wetland. An example of a wetland is St. Lucia or Isimangaliso Wetland Park in KwaZulu-Natal. It is the third largest wetland in South Africa. Wetlands are an important part of our environment and should always be protected.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.